Dear student, in chapter 14, first of all we are taking the tabular presentation. After that, the graphical presentation and measure of central tendency. There are three portions in this chapter 14, and first two portion has been covered. Next is the graphical presentation. In the graphical presentation, there are three types of graphical presentation. First is the bar graph. In the histogram, and third is the frequency polygon. In the bar graph, separate rectangles for a particular class interval or a particular causes. This type of presentation is called bar graph. In the histogram, all the rectangles should be adjacent, and here the data are given in the continuous class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and so on. And frequency polygon, in the frequency polygon we are using the mid value of the class interval with their frequency. You mid value and join them. This type of presentation is called frequency polygon. Histogram and frequency polygon can be calculated with the one graph. It means we can showing the histogram and frequency polygon with the same graph paper on a particular question. So one by one we are taking this. First, exercise 14.3, and first question is a survey conducted by an organization for the causes of illness and death among the women between the age of 15 to 44 years worldwide found the following figures. The data are given for the women illness and death between the age of 15 to 44 years, and here the causes are given and their female fatality rates in percentage. Here the causes and female fatality rate. These are given in percentage. First causes is reproductive health condition. Reproductive health condition. Next, neuropsychiatric condition, injuries, next cardiovascular condition, and respiratory condition, and last is the other cases. Its value is 31.8, 25.4, 12.4, 4.3, 4.1, and 22.0. First, represent the information given above graphically. First of all, we should represent this information on graphically. यहाँ पर मेंशन नहीं है कि आपको बार ग्राफ बनाना है कि हिस्टोग्राफ या फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगन. We are deciding with the data that are given. Here the data are not given in the class interval, so we are not making the histogram in frequency polygon. Here the causes are given, then definitely we are showing it graphically with the bar graph. तो बार ग्राफ कैसे बनाना है? पहले एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस, दो एक्सिस बना लो, हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल लाइन. ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस वी आर टेकिंग द causes. On the y axis female fertility rate in percentage, and choosing the scale for the female fertility rate of the y axis data. The smallest value is 4.1 and highest value is 31.8. So हमें जाना है कहाँ तक? मैक्सिमम 32 तक. तो हम 5 का लेंगे तब भी करेक्ट है, 4 ले सकते हैं, बट आई थिंक 5 इज सुटेबल. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 एंड 35. तो यहाँ पर 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 5%. सो द स्केल इज 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 5%. 5% होगा तो 5% हमें इसको लेना है. तो फर्स्ट 1 सेंटीमीटर देयर आर 10 स्मॉल लाइन्स, सो 10 स्मॉल लाइन इक्वल टू 5. सो 2 स्मॉल लाइन इक्वल टू 1. 2 लाइन किसके इक्वल होगी? 1 के. फर्स्ट है 31.8, तो ये 30, 31, यहाँ पर 2 लाइन ऊपर, फिर 0.8, तो फिर नेक्स्ट 2 लाइन अप्रोक्सीमेट 32 तक जाएगा. तो देयर आर 4 स्मॉल लाइन्स. हमें इसको कहाँ तक ले जाना है? 4 स्मॉल लाइन. 1 सेंटीमीटर के बीच में ये आपका मिड वैल्यू 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 एंड 10. तो यहाँ पर ये 4 लाइन यहाँ तक जाना है. बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट. ये हो गया रिप्रोडक्टिव कंडीशन. नेक्स्ट एनसी इज 25.4. फिर अब एक को बना है, एक को लीव कर दो, 1 बॉक्स सेपरेटली. 25.4 एक लाइन ऊपर 25 से, ये सेकंड बन जाएगा एनसी. वी आर शोइंग विद द डार्क लाइन आल्सो. यहाँ पर हम आर्ट्स इसका नेम अंदर भी लिख सकते हैं. ये यहाँ पर टॉप पे लिख दो 31.8, 25.4. नेक्स्ट इंजरी से 12.4, तो 10, 4 लाइन पे हो जाएगा 12 और 0.4 तो 5 लाइन. ये 12.4 इंजरीज. नेक्स्ट कार्डियोवास्कुलर कंडीशंस सीसी 4.3, तो 4.3 5 से भी नीचे. ये सीसी. नेक्स्ट 4.1 इससे थोड़ा सा और नीचे, 2 लाइन नीचे रहेगा. And last is the other causes is 22, 20 and 4 line upper. ये आ रहा है 22.0, ये 4.1, ये other causes. So that is this type of presentation is called the bar graph. तो first ये हो गया bar graph. After the graphical presentation, here sometimes the minor question can be arise in a particular question. Here the question is, which condition is the major cause of women ill health and death worldwide? Out of this causes the maximum percentage. Here the maximum percentage is 31.8 and it's a percentage of reproductive health condition. So which condition is the major cause? So reproductive health condition is the major causes of women illness and death. So here the answer is reproductive health condition is the major causes of women illness and death in the worldwide. Here one more minor question is for this question is next question is try to find out with the help of your teacher any two factors which play a major role in the cause of second reproductive health condition is the major cause of women illness and death. What is the two factors for the death and illness of the women in the worldwide? महिलाओं के बीमार और डेथ होने के ऐसे कौन से दो फैक्टर्स हैं जो इस कंडीशन को की परसेंटेज को हायर करते हैं? तो there are many factors play for this causes and generally the lackness of the health condition is for the main factor is the not taking the proper diet. One is the proper diet, second is the exercise. Generally the most of the women's the not taking the proper exercise for our the health. So these are the two factors for the major role for these conditions. Next question is also related for the bar graph. Here the data are given for the number of girls per 1,000 boys in different sections. SC, ST, non-SC, ST, backward class, non-backward class, rural and urban. Here 940 girls on the per 1,000 boys. Here 970 and so on. Represent the information above by a bar graph. For the same things, x and y axis. On the x axis, section. On the y axis, frequency number of girls. First choose a scale. 1 centimeter equal to हमें जाना है 1000 तक, तो आप इसको 100 ले लो. 100 गर्ल्स, ये अपना 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. First SC is the 940. 940 ये यहाँ पर इससे 4 line because one line equal to 10 is 10 girls, so there are 10 line equal to 100. यहाँ पर 4 line ऊपर हो जाएगा. ये SC का कॉलम. नेक्स्ट ST is 970, इससे थोड़ा और ऊपर 7 line ऊपर. ST again 920, and all the data are given above the 900, so we can draw in the another way also. हम इसको ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, इसको यहाँ पर zigzag कर लूँ, ये भी एक another better way. Zigzag and start from the 910, 920, 930, 940, 950, 960, 970, 980, 990 and 1000. ये भी बेटर वे है. एंड 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 10 गल्स. यहाँ zigzag किया तो यहाँ 0 से, बट अब मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट 10 से. फर्स्ट 940, तो 940 इसको फिर यहाँ तक ही लेंगे. ये 940 इसको रब कर देते हैं. ये अपना 940. नेक्स्ट 970, ये 970. नाइन 20, ये 920. नॉन SC/ST. फिर 950, 950 बैकवर्ड. फिर नॉन बैकवर्ड 920, अगेन 920 नॉन बैकवर्ड. and 930 is the rural. And urban is the 910. Urban is the 910. ये 910, 930 and so this is the bar graph for the given data, and all the data are greater than 900. So it's a better way for the graphical presentation. Next question is related for this graphical presentation. In the classroom, discuss what conclusion can be arrived at from the graph. What is the conclusion for this graphical presentation? So there are two types of conclusion for this graphical presentation. One is the maximum and minimum frequency. Here the maximum number of girls lying in the ST and minimum in the urban areas. And one another thing is all the data are less than 100 in all the sections. So we can write anyway maximum number of girls in section ST and minimum in urban areas. In urban. Next question number 4 is that the length of leaves are given one in the millimeter 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144 and so on, and their frequency is given. Represent this information on a graph paper by the histogram. यहाँ पर हमें हिस्टोग्राम बनाना है. तो इन हिस्टोग्राम first requirement is the continuous class interval. So here convert the data into continuous class interval. यहाँ पर गैप कितने का है 1 का, तो 0.5 इसको माइनस करेंगे, इसको 0.5 प्लस, तो कंटिन्यूस क्लास इंटरवल इसको 0.5 माइनस करेंगे तो 117.5, 126.5, 126.5 से 135.5, 135.5 से 144.5, 144.5 से 153.5, 171.5 और 171.5 से 180.5। फ्रीक्वेंसी 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2, सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी। एक्स एक्सिस, ये वाई एक्सिस। यहाँ पर गैप कितना है? 126.5 और 117.5। ये तो जीरो, डिफरेंस निकाल लो इसका। 9 का गैप है, तो 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 9 मिलीमीटर। 9 मिलीमीटर का गैप है, तो यहाँ पे स्केल दोनों के लिए होगा। और स्टार्टिंग के लिए यहाँ जिगजैग कर लो। 117.5, ये 126.5, 135.5, 144.5, 153.5, 162.5, 171.5 and 180.5. Here the frequencies, maximum frequency is 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So first choose a scale on x-axis. 1 centimeter equal to 9 millimeter, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 leaves. So first frequency is 3, तो इस कॉलम को कहाँ तक ले जाना है? रेक्टेंगल को, ये 3 था। फिर 5, ये 5, फिर 9, ये 9, फिर 12, ये 12, फिर 5, ये 5, ये 4, और लास्ट में 2, ये 2। तो ये अपना प्रेजेंटेशन हिस्टोग्राम फॉर द गिवन डेटा। Here the next minor question for this: is there any other suitable graphical presentation for this type of data? So yes, frequency polygon is the frequency polygon. Is the suitable way for this type of and is it correct to conclude the maximum number of leaves are 153 millimeter long? So yes, 153 millimeter long, 144, yes, whose frequency is 12. So it's, there are 153s counting in this class interval. So yes, maximum number of leaves are counting in this class interval, so it is less than 153 millimeter.